What up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to use your hotspot on the OnePlus 5T. What you need to do is go into settings, then you click right here where it says more, then you go tethering and portable hotspot, and you click first. You kind of have to set it up, and change the name to I don't know, Goku or something, and then change the password to Goku, and then let's see, Goku 123 at, and then you click save, and now all you have to do is turn it on, and it's going to tell you right at the top, if you can see the little hotspot icon, and it's going to tell you it's on. I hope this video helped out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.